Stampers, Diane Dimich here with DDStamps.com, and today I'm here to introduce you to my March tutorial, which focuses on the Sweet Ice Cream stamp set and the Match Coordinating Punch, which is a bundle. So if you purchase them together, you get 10% off. It also comes with some great designer series paper. So it's a whole suite of products, and the paper is really cute. So these blotches, which I call them blotches, actually coordinate with the punch, so you can put them on there and make ice cream in those colors. Probably should show the back. So this one is actually coordinates too. This could be the cone, and you'll see that in the tutorial that I do. And then we have Popsicles, a cute stripe, some more blotches, those green polka dots, which I love, and these, I love this blotch set. And then some just soft serve ice cream with sprinkles. That's the and then also in that set is, or in the suite, are these great sprinkles, and they are actually, they're kind of they do feel like real sprinkles, but don't eat them. And I actually used some of the fine tip glue to put them on. And then the last thing that comes in there, this is one of the cards, but is the Blackberry Bliss ribbon. I ran out of it, so I didn't have any to show in this video. Okay, so what I do for my tutorials is anybody that places an order with me in March gets a free tutorial and a thank you email that I send out. It's a PDF, and I'll also do videos of the projects because they're a little bit more complicated this time. Also, just to let you know, if you go no contact or you say I cannot contact you, I can't get that PDF sent to you in that email. So if you haven't heard from me, that may be the case. So just drop me an email, and I can help you get it figured out and get you back on track so you get those emails. And then if you place an order over $50, what I do is I send the products to you to make the projects in the tutorial. So for instance, with the designer series paper, I will send you either a 6x6 square or a 4x12 sheet. I haven't figured out yet what I'm going to do because I need to look at the projects and see which way you get a better deal and how I cut my papers. You'll get some of the sprinkles, and they'll probably just be sprinkled into your packet, so be careful with those when you open it up. You'll also get the Blackberry Bliss ribbon that you'll need, and then you'll also get in your packet the cardstock. So what I do is I just send full sheets of cardstock, and I teach you how to cut them, and I will do that in the videos. But these are the colors that I use this time. So Whisper White, or Basic White, excuse me, was a base color, and then I used these colors to go with it. So we have Soft Seafoam, So Saffron, Pear Pizzazz, Coastal Cabana, Blackberry Bliss, and Cinnamon Cider. So I'm really happy that I remembered the names of all those cardstocks. So you get that, and then you get a couple sheets of the Whisper White in your packet. And then also one of my projects this time around uses a clear envelope, and I'll show you that to make a shaker card. And so that will be included in your kit too. So let's move this stuff out of the way. I'm going to show you quickly. This is a really simple card. It's just layers of cardstock. I actually stamped my Popsicles, and I cut them out. Fussy cut them out. There isn't a die to cut out the Popsicles, but as you can see, it's very easy to cut them out because they're pretty straight lines. But you can see the embellishments on there. I used the ribbon. So this one is just a different fold. It's a basic card, but I cut an inch off here. And then I stamped the happy birthday going up the side on the inside of the card. Again, this is the paper. Those are those blotches. So you can see how it cuts out, and that's just paper. Using the punches, and then a couple of embellishments. So this is a little bit more complicated card, and I will actually do a video when you get the tutorial. It's a closer card. So it's just using paper, and I did a little bit of stamping. But this one slides off, and that's how your card opens up. And then I punched out ice cream cone for the inside there. And I will show you how to make this card in a video. This is where the clear envelope comes in, and you can see it's a shaker card. Super easy to do with a clear envelope. And then I just embellished or decorated the back. And again, I used that paper and that splotchy, the punch and the splotchy paper, and lots of little embellishments. And then this is a slider card. This is automatically closed, and so you push your ice cream over, and that opens up your card. And I will show you, I'll do a video for you in the tutorial to show you how to do this one. And I made 2 of those because I wanted them, they're very different looks. One with Blackberry Bliss and one with So Saffron. But the same concept. And actually I was kind of surprised at how simple this little slider was to make. So these are the projects for this month, for the month of March. You'll need to use the hostess code, which I will post down in the description of this video. And I hope you're all doing great, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.